So now you're with Lil J.
Okay, yeah, okay. So I'm with Lil J. I moved forward. Y'all know about us now. So
Okay.
now I'm with Lil J. So now it's time to go to the studio. I ain't even finna play now. Like,
This is when the case happened. and
yeah.
everything. Okay.
So now I'm focusing on my goals, dreams. You know me.
Right.
I'm trying to get it together. Like, okay, now let me go to the studio. You know, I'm trying to get in good, whatever the case may be. Like, it's time for me to turn my little music up, whatever. Like, come on. So we about to get ready and go to the studio. Then the case happened. Boom. While we heading to the studio, trying to, do something positive, whatever the case may be.
Right.
And things happen. I know, like, things happen. And, it's life or whatever. So, and plus, it just be, like, so much. So, with that situation that, everything, my niece, everybody who was, with us on the case or whatever, or like in that surrounding area or whatever, it just happened so quick and fast. Like when things be happening, it just goes so fast, like a quick high second jump.
Would you say the situation was avoidable, or was it something that you guys couldn't run from?
I'm not gonna even lie. Like, I think it was it wasn't like no way you could like stop the situation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys are in public. It's you, Lil J, Butta, and you guys just happen to get into it with, maybe the wrong people or something. Okay.
Yeah. So, you gotta like, it is what it is. You feel me? So.
Right.
It was just a lot of people outside, people barbecuing, kids jumping rope. It was just like,
okay.
It was like a nice day, but it still went down so fast. And it's crazy, like, how everything went and, like, how everybody, like, got hurt out the situation. Like, even when we didn't get physically hurt, like how other people, it's still like emotionally hurt and scarred and stuff like that. Like people don't understand like when something really, how can I put this, traumatizing affect you, like they think it's like so easy and just, oh, you could do this and then it'll be that. No, you still got like the aftermath. They don't explain like when something happen, what's going, like when you do get caught or something like that, or like, okay, you didn't get caught or whatever case may be, but you still traumatizing on the situation. So it's just like so scary and crazy, but it's life. Sure, like people used to it. It's crazy that it's so common in Chicago that, okay, well, you go do this and that's that. No, they don't tell you like, oh, you going to get caught up in that jam and you going to be doing this and that and the third and all this and all that. They don't tell you after that how you got to like just live on and on from after something, traumatizing.
Right. Okay. So now, after the situation happens, I guess Lil J and Butta are caught, and then you guys go to court, or they go to court, or do you go with them, or?
It was like tons of people at court. Like I say, even like the fans. It was like
fans.
Yes, it was like 100 fans out. Like it was a
lot.
It was going down. Like it was a lot of girls, it was a lot of niggas, like family members, like our family members. It was like so many people on the case. It wasn't just like us people. It was like more and more. Like you can like Google it, look it up or whatever. It's in public records. So whatever I'm saying is just out there. Anyways, you can find it. You can go to the law library. You can get access to it, basically what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Boom, long story short, boom, it was just like, it was other people on the case too, like probably 7, 8 more people, you feel me? Like probably 6, 7, 8 more people. You get what I'm saying? Boom.
Okay.
After that, or whatever, how can I put this? After that, boom, so it's like 100 people, like probably my family members, because you know it's like me and my niece on the case, so it's probably 10 of my family members there. You feel
Okay.
me? Other people, 10 of their family, 5 of their family, 10 family, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that's 50 people right there. Then imagine
Okay.
like people just want to know stuff, so it was like really going down in the courtroom, whatever. They had to like close the courtroom, telling people like, no, you can't come in. Ooh, only the immediate people or whatever like that. So it was really like
that.
serious, yeah.
Okay.
And then by it's not being in Chicago and it was like in Markham, so it was really like kind of closed in, saluted private.
Mm-hmm.
So like maybe if it was in the county, it really, really probably would have been like going crazy. Like people would probably knew it, you know.
Okay.
But,
Definitely. Okay. So now I want to know, how did you feel when both Lil J and Butta was sentenced and they got the time that they got?
I was like kind of like sad or disappointed about the whole situation. I won't want nobody to do no time, no jail, nothing, nobody, or whatever the case may be. But I was like kind of sad, whatever, and I'm upset that like both of them like is into it or whatever.
Yeah.
Over all this, like, you know, like I don't like that, but you know it is what it is. I can't control nobody or no man, but by my niece like doing time for it, you feel me? Like everybody should like be like, okay.
Okay.
Move forward. What can you do to move forward past this? I did what I did. Okay. Like, so you gonna just be mad at the person for the rest of your life? That's just some weak shit. Like,
yeah. How did you feel when Lil J did the Say Cheese interview and he said, you know, Butta snitched on him for an Italian beef and Pepsi? Do you think, how do you feel that probably went?
You said what Lil J said, Italian beef and Pepsi.
Yeah.
That was crazy. That was real crazy. I ain't feel no way. If that's what he said, that's what he said. I ain't feel no way.
Okay.
He said what he said.
Okay.
Basically.
Now, if it's okay to ask, you say your niece is still doing time for that.
Yeah, she's still doing time.
Okay. I don't want to ask too much or get deep into it.
Let me make this clear. Let me make this clear too also.
Okay.
Like, I didn't have to say anything due to the fact of, well, my niece did the time period.
Right.
When we all got in that gym, I was like, I told her, like, niece, I fucked up. Before everybody got put in our different separate cells and stuff like that.
Okay.
I'm like, Shonda, ooh, don't say nothing, please. Like, she like, okay. Ooh, this before everybody got even locked up. This the question and stuff. Boom, boom.
Okay.
I'm like, please, like, I don't, like, what we gonna do? Like, she like, I don't know. She just saying, I don't know. Ooh. So that was like a real sad moment at that time, a real sad moment. And I was like, thinking all night, all day long, like what's gonna happen to us, or whatever the case may be. So my niece hold it down for me through the beginning, through the middle, and through the end. And I appreciate her for me not having to say anything. You get what I'm saying? Like, not having to be on record. Like, by her, you know, taking the weight, you feel me? It gave me the opportunity to be great, to be the muscle, to make sure everybody's straight. You know what I'm saying? To keep everything copacetic, not all this motherfuckers into it saying this and that and the third. No, I just feel like me and my niece stand strong. We blood. It feel like blood really than when they say blood is real, cause we ain't doing no foolery and doing all this. Ain't no more talking and saying blaming somebody, blaming that. All that blaming, it should be over with, like for real. So that's basically what I stand on and what I stand on that and about the situation.
Okay.